in the front.
That's the back. Well, if you'd come here, I would have pushed it for you.
I would push it.
Back up by the tree.
Scoot
Back up
on.
a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Shove off the tree.
Sing it.
Yes.
That's kind of funny. Where's the button?
Well, you got it out backwards. Can you pose next to the tree?